Thank you very much, Numeric team, for making us aware about your solutions and offering. The takeaway from this presentation for me is it's a mature, reliable, scalable, and feature-rich solution. What else we need to go back to our customer and promote this solution? Do we need anything else? They do have distinguished clientele. That's again a biggest advantage we have. They have extensive support infrastructure. That's the another advantage what we have. So we just have to work with them closely and promote this solution. That's what I feel. The two takeaways, one is from Mr. Devnish about the engagement. The engagement is always a long-term association. And that's the reason we have engagement in marriage also, before marriage also. So yes, their focus is engagement and it's for long-term association. So we should meet them and explore the possibility of working together. The one thing which was missing, which Jitu has cleared, about the bottom line. What else you need when you have a better bottom line? Thank you, Jitu, for clarifying that doubt. So mathematics is my favorite subject, and I was asking the next presenter, what's your opinion about mathematics? He said, I'm a IT software guy. I don't know much about the mathematics, but I know something about IT security solutions distribution. So I said, tell me something about mathematics. He said that mathematics may not add love, subtract hate. Mathematics may not add love, subtract hates, but it gives a hope that there is a solution for each and every problem. So please welcome Devendra from BDsoft. And Rajiv Warrior. Sorry, I missed you.
हेलो गुड इवनिंग. अरे कुछ तो आवाज करो, गुड इवनिंग तो करो. अब मैंने इधर 15 मिनट रखा है, उससे ज्यादा 1 मिनट भी नहीं लूंगा. राइट, स्टार्ट. सो प्रेजेंटेशन चलो. So I think Harshad has highlighted a lot of stuffs. Harshad has highlighted a lot of words like persistent, bottleneck, and बहुत सारा. Like asset का जो vision है, we have seen, everybody has seen it, and I'm over here to make it true and ensure that all of you make a lot of money from our solutions. We'll start the presentation immediately. Okay, I am Rajiv Warrior. I am handling the VP sales. I am handling all over India sales. And we have my colleague is there, Devendra, who is handling Bombay. Can you take a mic? Possible, yeah. So I'll just introduce BD Software. Before that, I would like to inform my all my friends over here a big thank you for giving this opportunity to present our solutions to all of you. I was part of your business, and I have seen a lot of ups and downs and also seen all the solutions. So whatever challenges the customers are facing, we are trying to get that solution into India and distribute in India. Our market usually focuses on the SMB and SME market. Enterprise, you have a lot of big brands, but we are from a smaller player where smaller licenses, like from even 1 user to 10 user to 15 user, 250 user and 100 user and 1000 users. We have solutions for all this market for our channel partners. So we are, as of now, we are touching 11,50,000 users from our solutions. We are a value add pan-India distributor. We have more than 1,600 partners all over India who help us to provide the solutions to their SMB market or to their customers. We have, as of now, we have grown to a team of 90 people. By this year end, we will cross 100. We are, in total, my team, my management team has a 150 plus experience in IT. We have pre-sales support and post-sales. Okay. So the facts are, we are a 100% channel-oriented company. We have protected more than 11 lakhs people. It's an Indian. So basically, the best part over here is this. which you can see this is specially made for you partners. And we actually love our partners, and we assure that our partner, you will enjoy our business. You will be able to sell more to existing customers, add new customers, and make good profits. So that is our agenda over here. And our company will always ensure that our partners make a lot of money. Our promise. So you must be thinking how that promise will be achieved. So these are some of the things partners have a lot of customers, but the thing is there are a lot of investment on pre-sales, post-sales, or the implementation part. These are the three bottlenecks that most of our partners sees, because they have to invest in resources, they have to train the people. So that is where we come into picture. We have a complete pre-sales support where you have to just identify the customer. We will do all the pre-sales initial support, even the post-sales support and the implementation part. So that is where you save a lot of money and your GP improves. And I can prove this because our company is growing 40% year on year. So this is our one of the best product, one of the largest selling brand for us in India, and it's called Bitdefender. It's a Romanian solution. So I would request my colleague Devendra to just highlight on this.
Hello. Yeah. Good evening all. Myself Devendra. I looks after the Mumbai. So Bitdefender is basically a Romanian company, and we are having around 1700 R&D staff. Out of that, 50% is on the R&D, and rest of the team is for the marketing and so Bitdefender has total home as well as the SME and enterprise solutions. So home segment, we cater to antivirus, internet and total. But not only that, we have also the solutions which can be catered to business as well as the home segment. So we have Bitdefender reseller and total security, as well as inbox, as well as digital keys. The exclusive about the features, you might have gone through the product, but VPN is the one of the key feature where we are having 200 MB VPN daily free for the users, so that they can have some the security point of view, secure transactions on daily basis. Then we have business solutions where entry level business security is the solution, which can cater to your SME. Then earlier we have the Ultra, which is now enterprise solution, which is a EDR and endpoint detection and response, which will cater more than 52,000 users. So we can position that product depend upon the requirement of the customer. And we have business security premium. If customer is don't have the IT team who can monitor the logs and the related things, so we can have the business security premium features, which is earlier called as Elite, and that can suffice the requirement from 5 users to around 500 users. So I would like to show one video where how the Bitdefender expands cybersecurity partnership with Parari. So.
At Ferrari, we operate as one company, which means that cybersecurity matters apply company-wide.
We are viewing in Ferrari a pilot, a car, but in fact behind that is a full team of people working for that success.
You could say that the world of racing is very similar of our world, because even a tiny difference of 1,000 of second can be a deciding factor.
It's similar in cyber. In Bitdefender, we are a team. Not only a team, but we are teaming with our partners, with our customers to find the threats.
When it comes to cyber, it's super important to act fast and deal with any threats that come on your way, so that you can contain the situation and prevent any consequences for our company.
So in gist, Ferrari believes in Bitdefender. They have a close relation with Bitdefender and Ferrari. A brand like Ferrari, if they trust Bitdefenders, you can understand what is the type of brands that we are talking about, what is the type of brand that we are actually promoting. It's a very high brand, Bitdefender, where you can make margins. As Devendra already told, we have right from 5 users. There are different types of segments. You have banking customers, you have SEBI compliance to be achieved, you have to have RBI compliance. If it's a normal customer, we can give a normal solution also. So right from 1 user to thousands of users, we can give this. So that is all about Bitdefender. Tying up with us, you have more solutions to provide to your customers and make more new customers, or the same customers can be given multiple solutions from different sectors. So that is where I want to highlight some of the challenges that our IT customers are facing, and you can provide these solutions to them. First is the endpoint, which already we have covered, that is Bitdefender. It has a lot of variants. So if you can identify the customer, we can actually give them a consultancy and we can pitch in the right solution at the right price to them in the budget that they are seeing. The second solution is again a DLP product, which data leakage prevention solution. A lot of customers want to protect their data, a specific word, file, you have social media, you want to block them, USB or lot of it is. So it all can be covered in a DLP solution. We have 3 solutions depending upon the pricing, depending upon the operating system that the customer has. If the customer has only Windows, we can give one solution. If suppose they have multiple operating system like an Android, Linux or Windows, we have another solution. So we have all the flavors, and if it's a very enterprise customer, we have one solution. If it's a very small customer with 10, 20, 30 users, there also we are providing DLP, because every person over here wants to protect their data, whatever they are doing. So these are the 4 solutions that we have in the DLP range. We have an IRM solution where any mails, any content of yours, you are sending out of your computer, you can still protect it. Even if the file is there in America, you can control that file and you can even delete it sitting in India. You can also give options like it can be seen only once, or you can give an option that the file printout can't be taken. The file can't be forwarded to any other person. So all this can be achieved with the help of IRM, which is also a need of the hour. We have another solution called sandboxing. Apart from the endpoint security that the customer has, people goes for sandboxing because they want the forensic report. If suppose there is a ransomware attack or kuch bhi problem hua hai, they have to generate the report and go to the legal department. So sandboxing is a very big solution which is coming up. One of the biggest customer for VMware in India is Indian Air Force. If Indian Air Force is using this, that means you can understand the type of security that this solution has. Then we have mobile device management. There are multiple offices, multiple computers to be managed sitting in one location. So you have an MDM solution, 42 gears, which you can even install a software sitting in Mumbai and the computer is in Gujarat, or you want to, like the computer has C, D, E drive, and you want to access only the E drive to that software developer, you can do with the help of MDM. And there are a lot of other features in this. We can do a one-to-one and know more about that. We have the firewall DNS filtering, which is again a lot of people who wants to protect only the DNS part, they go for this solution. Phishing security is there. So a lot of companies, we are doing physical cyber security awareness program in a lot of places. This software will give the user the right to educate their internal users. So suppose a customer has 200, 300 users, they want to educate, because even the IT manager or IT team invest hundreds of rupees or crores of rupees in security. If you have a receptionist and she is not aware of what security, आपका सिस्टम अटैक हो जाता है. फिशिंग मेल आया, आप उसको क्लिक कर दिया एंड अंदर घुस गया. सो ऑल दिस एजुकेशन कैन बी डन ऑनलाइन विद द हेल्प ऑफ गोल्डफिश solution. So that's a phishing security awareness program that we can do. We have IT alert system where people get lot of ITL, like you make a server room और server में fire आ गया या virus attack आ गया या fluctuations आ गया, all these alerts has to be given back to the management, to the IT team. We have a solution, a cloud solution called SendQueue, which can actually give alerts to your respective team, and this alerts is not only SMS but on WhatsApp also you can give. So a lot of companies are adapting this. You have data shredder. Because of data privacy, the new rule, the data whichever, so even if you are selling out an hard disk, you have to ensure that each and every data is wiped out with a certificate, so that that certificate can be shown to the audit department. So this is a data shredder solution, wipeout, which is also added solution. So if you see, these are all different types of solution. The same customer can be targeted and given solution, and in the price that the customer needs. We have an intranet SSL security. You must be knowing this is through Rajesh Bhai. This is also a very good solution which we have been promoting. You have email solutions, like if suppose somebody doesn't have a budget for expensive email solutions, you can get GB size email solutions with unlimited email addresses. You have a resource monitoring, asset management, ticketing solution. Again, in the price, we have been working with a lot of partners, smaller customers like 50, 100, 200 wants a ticketing solution, asset management. We are giving this solution over there. There are very big solutions like ServiceNow, Symphony Summit, but many of the customers can't afford the price. So over here, we have a very good product. Again, an Indian-made solution which we are distributing all over India. We have a zero trust solution. So if you see, if suppose you have a person sitting in Calcutta and that computer has to access the right cloud application, you have to have a VPN solution. आप आपका ऑफिस में VPN कनेक्शन दो, फिर उसको कनेक्शन आप Azure या AWS में दे रहा है. Zapron से आपको वापस VPN का कनेक्शन देने का जरूरत नहीं. डायरेक्ट उसका जो कलकत्ता का कंप्यूटर can be connected to AWS, Azure or any private data center. We can again sit down on this solution. It's a very good solution. Again, an Indian-made solution. All like password manager, VPN, SSL, MFA, all the solutions can be avoided by just buying this one solution. It's a cheaper solution because customer invests in multiple solutions, but as an SMB, customer can't invest in all the solutions. So this one solution will take care of all their security solution. It's a good solution. We can work on this also. As a partner, if you help us, we can actually give you very good margins on this product also. And these are all concept selling products. Ticketing solution, this, as I told you, it's a voice ticketing solution also. Dectella is there. And this is a document transfer files. Like you can convert documents, automate KYC process in a bank. That is DocShifter, Abby is an OCR, and Foxit is a thing. So I think I have already done with my products. Devendra, आप बोल दो बाकी का. I have just 1 minute, I think. So Avinash घड़ी-घड़ी दिखा रहा है ऐसा. बताओ.
So industry recognition, as you know, BD Software is now a 7-year-old company, and this is during the span of only 7 years. We have lots of recognitions, and the number of partners are getting connected with us across India is now up to 2,000 numbers. So you can understand, and we are getting industry recognition on a daily basis, we can say.
So we are a small distributor growing fast because of all of you. Thank you partners for all your support. Small solutions देके हम लोग बड़ा कर रहे हैं. Rather than giving one big solution, we are giving small solution. थोड़ा बनाते हैं हम लोग 40%. हमारा partner भी 40% बनाते हैं. So this is a contact. Avinash हो गया time? Okay. And this is what we say. Join the winning team and be part of the success story. You can see it's a live photo that we have taken to all of you. We take partners to a lot of places like Dubai, Baku, and a lot of incentive schemes are there. So we would like all our partners to join us. And जाते ASIRT का एक dialogue था, उसको मैं correct करना चाहता है. By tying up with BD Software, everyone will be a winner. So there was a statement and I said, okay, we are saying that every one of all the partners over here, including us, will be a winner if we all work together and give the small solutions to our SMB, SME market. Thank you very much and have a great day.
Thank you.
Thank you very much, Devendra and Rajiv.